Kuumba is creativity, to always do as much as you can in the way in order to leave our community more beautiful than it was. What we tell our young people is when we go into a building and everything is set up, it's nice and clean, we say to them, we want to leave this space just as it is when he came in. And my mother was a maid. And for that reason, when I go to a hotel, I clean up the room as if I was at home, because I make my kids clean up all their bottles and put the trash together. And I put all the towels in one pile. And sometimes if I have time, I will take the sheets off the bed and put them in the pillowcase. And I do that to honor my mother, because my mother was a maid and she used to talk about how difficult it was.
It's a calling, actually. It's like the drum call. We have a phrase, drum call. So it's a calling because we are the practitioners of a African tradition that is very ancient. So you could say that, yes, it is in our DNA. You know, we feel like it's a calling from our ancestors to keep the spirit of the drum alive. Because the drum, it communicates to your heart, and it gives you inspiration even in the face of the greatest of obstacles, difficulties, forces of oppression. You know, your inner spirit, when it's summoned, you know, it gives you power, it gives you strength to rise up, make it through the storm. That is the basis of why we do the drumming. It's something we want to pass on. We want to keep that tradition alive, keep it going, so that 100 years from now, 200 years from now, 500 years from now, 1,000 years from now, you know, somebody is going to enjoy the experience of bringing people together